Pharmaceutical syrups are some of the most common dosage forms, because they are easy to use and smooth to take in by patients of every age. Their use is particularly relevant for children and the elderly who have difficulty swallowing pills or capsules. Syrups constitute concentrated aqueous solutions of sugar or its substitutes with added flavorings, colorants, preservatives, and active pharmaceutical ingredients. An important stage in pharmaceutical syrup production is to ensure the compositional homogeneity of such syrups, which guarantees the uniform distribution of active ingredients and the product stability. In order to ensure the homogeneity and quality of final product, GlobeCore has developed USB-5 reactor-type units with the use of which it becomes possible to implement the key stages of production, from precise batching to efficient mixing of constituents with their uniform distribution in the syrup is facilitated by a high-speed impeller mixer. Other advantages of USB-5 reactor-type units include automation of all production stages, which reduces the risk of human error and ensures the consistent quality of products. Integrated monitoring system that allows achieving the maximum precision in batching of constituents, which is critical to ensuring the stability and effectiveness of syrups. Uniform mixing due to the specific operational features of impeller mixers, which guarantees the stability and homogeneity of final product. All the contact parts made of stainless steel, which complies with the pharmaceutical industry requirements and ensures the production process sterility. Compact dimensions and modular design to facilitate the integration of USB-5 units into new or already operating production sites. Wide capacity range, several hundred to several thousand liters of finished syrup per operation cycle. Owing to these features, the USB-5 reactor-type units serve as a reliable and efficient solution for pharmaceutical syrup manufacturers. And what other challenges is your pharmaceutical production facility facing? Please share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for pharmaceutical syrup production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.